Hello, Clearborough, North Dallas, 2003 Carrera S, full correction, a little bit of touch up, more correction, and then an install. We had some dents taken out of it with our PDR guy, a couple other things repaired on it. But overall, just an exterior. Wheels were taken off, fully cleaned up. It had a lot of staining. The car had a lot of staining and scuffs, a lot of scuffs and swirls. A majority of it came out. Some scratches didn't because they're a little too deep. We had a couple dents in the hood. Those all came out. But we're gonna go over the job real quick. Car looks totally different. I wish I was savvy with these things so I can show up before and after, but I don't do that very much. So anyway, on these older ones, prior to 2017, all these lights come out. Even on the new ones, we still get in there, take all this out, wrapping all our edges in. This is a ceramic PPF on here, Xpel's Fusion. The emblem comes off, so there's no lines around it whatsoever. Perfectly clear, nothing showing. Like here's a couple of rock hits. Try to get an angle. Right there's a rock hit in there, but overall the car looks fantastic. You know, still getting all our edges wrapped in, sticking to our principles. No edges, keeping this car looking good. Getting all our handles, getting all this underneath. No edges showing, lifting the bonnet back here. Getting all this wrapped around, wrapped in here. Taking the tail lights out, wrapping all this in. Limits other things to look at. So it just looks as if the car is just original paint. It looks good without it after our correction, but now it's protected and it looks super. I mean, the car just looks fantastic. I should have had it before, but unfortunately I get too busy and get on the car as fast as I can. But there it is, 2003 Carrera S. Actually, no, I think it's a 6. Either way, it's a 3 or a 6. I'll have to look at the paperwork. But anyway, there it is. PPF, Xpel's Fusion Plus, full complete wrap, full correction, full decon. This thing was probably about at least a 3 or 4 step, and then it probably got deconned a couple more times throughout that process and washed thoroughly inside out. All the jams, everything was brushed, all the door handles. I mean, everything was just, you want to talk about the ultimate of getting a detail done. But just a lot of corrosion underneath here. If we lift that up, well, I cleaned out that pan. Everything just got super cleaned out. So took these lights out, cleaned all those bays, the rear lights, more than necessary, but it's there. We might as well do it. So there it is. Carrera S, Clearborough, North Dallas is who we are. If you have any questions, let us know. And that's it. If you need to get a hold of us, 214-414-3809. Clearborough, North Dallas at Gmail is our email. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for the likes. Let us know if there's anything we do for you. Take care.